Look, I'm already killing it. Apparently my garden needs some water. Whoops. Welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. It's windy and hot. So lots going on this week at the farm. Well, the last couple weeks there's been a lot going on at the farm. There's a few things that are changing around here. We are getting ready to hopefully reopen. Apparently the government has decided, I think the 14th. Today's the 5th. So hopefully by the 14th we'll be able to open, maybe a little sooner. I'm not getting my hopes up on that though, because they've said that before and it hasn't happened. So here's hoping that by the 14th we're able to open our patio. The retail space is still open, but we haven't been able to invite people into the patio to enjoy a pint for a very long time. And I miss it, and I really hope that we can do it here shortly. Mr. Miller and friends have found themselves a new home. Just in the chicken coop, guys. I wouldn't get rid of them. Check it out. Hey guys. Hey guys. How's everyone doing? Clearly you need more water again. So I never claimed to be a gardener by any means, and if anybody knows me, or if you know me well, you know that I do not have a green thumb. And as much as I would like to have a green thumb, it's just not something that's been in my cards ever. I can take care of animals and I can raise children, but for some reason I can't grow a plant. It is what it is. But I'm gonna try again this year, with the support of my friends, to plant another garden. Now, I was lucky last year because my friends that own Pandemic Hot Sauce, they actually maintained my garden for me. But this year they have huge gardens, so I doubt they're gonna have time to help me out. I'm sure they will help me out, but not as much as they could last year because they'll be busy themselves. So yeah, here we go. Guys, cross your fingers for me because this is probably a failed process. And while Mikhail's been really busy, background noise. Mikhail's been really busy working on her pony and getting her ready. She's actually been doing really well training her to jump. This pony came to us, I think she knew how to jump because she has a basic knowledge of it, but I don't think she was like super keen to do it. And now she's loving it, and Mikhail is doing amazing.
Keep the counter. Looking out. Woohoo! Look at you go. Good job. Give her a pat. How'd that way feel? Thanks, yeah. That's awesome.
My horse, on the other hand, we're dealing with some Navicular, which we knew when he came here that he had Navicular. But we're trying to shoe him and get him, so he's feeling a little bit better. He's been doing much better these last few weeks, and we're just starting to really kind of work with him, riding and so on and so forth. But it's been a lot of fun. These guys are pretty amazing. Hi, Serenity. Don't eat my ear, please. Hey, buddy.
Camera person. Whoa.
Here we go, a little teamwork action.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Fancy.
it should work really nice. Little homemade heart bar here.
did also have some crazy bee stuff that's happened this week. Not one, but 2 swarms. Okay, so here's the thing. Earlier this week, we captured a swarm. It had landed on our fence post. We're pretty sure it came from our bigger hive. They would have split themselves and kind of had a plan to go to the box beside it, which we had kind of baited with like a lemongrass. Leanne had painted the inside of the box with lemongrass to attract the bees to that point. And I had been watching for a couple weeks, kind of watching little drones go in and out, checking things out. So that wasn't a big shock. We managed to get the queen and everybody was happy. And now everyone's in the box and everyone looks happy. That's the swarm.
The nice thing is it's in such close proximity to this that they will fly over once these girls start fanning. It's when you have to like worry about you're taking them from one town to another town, right?
Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm just saying.
A trick I learned on the internet. Not no joke.
Today, we were out mending the fence, and yeah, I was hammering, so I was nervous that maybe that was causing an issue, but what happened was I looked up and there were bees everywhere. There was a huge swarm of bees flying around. I originally thought that that was one of our bees, or a group of our bees, but by the looks of things, this is a completely different swarm. So whether they were flying above and decided this was a good spot to hang out, I don't know for sure. But we were lucky enough to catch it. We see it. We've now found them. We've tried to move them into a box. They are not having any of it. We can't get the queen. And we had the queen at one point and then she flew away. So now we're going to go back in and we're going to, so we had a number of the bees in the box, but they didn't stay. They went right back to the branch, probably because the queen is on the branch. So we have to just play around and see if we can get the queen and get her in the box, and hopefully that will create a nice little home for these guys, and they'll want to stay because it's always fun to have more bees, and it's really fun when you catch a wild swarm. So we'll see what happens. I mean, there's quite a few bees, so we've kind of cut some branches and tried to maneuver things around the best that we can to get the bees into the box. Unfortunately, we got a majority of the bees into the box, and the box they didn't want to stay in the box, so they've now gone back to the tree, which is probably where she is. So wherever the queen is, the bees want to be, and she doesn't want to be in the box. So hopefully we're going to try again here shortly, kind of let them regroup on the tree, and then we'll see if we can get the queen this time. It is a lot of fun. It does make me nervous, I'm not going to lie. I get a little nervous around bees. I'm getting better and better all the time. And Leanne and Sean are really good at reassuring me and saying, just stay calm, everything's going to be fine. And it always is. They've never lied to me. Everything always works out in the end. So, yeah, I feel really bad because now all of our days have kind of gone out the wayside, and we're now trying to get bees into a box. Oh, the life of a farmer.
Right?
Yay! Success.
Success. There are hardly any bees in the tree.
Yeah, but they're all fanning on the outside of the box.
That's fine. It's good. Good.
Yay! We did it!
You did it. Just took 2 tries.
So David's working on the seaming portion and some different parts for the commercial canning line that we are now testing on our machine. So that's been kind of a bit of a process this week because we're in a rush to get our canning line up and running because of course now we're going to open. So we want to make sure that we have lots and lots of cans available for people. Sorry, I'm squinty, it's bright outside. And he's been really busy trying to get that operational, also because they're getting ready to go into put them on the production line. So it needs to get moving right now. Rusty and friends have a new home. And I don't know how excited they are about it, other than the fact that they have a crazy amount of grass to eat. Hi! Hi, Rusty! Hey, buddy! Hi, buddy! What were you doing? What? Ah. Oh, you left your buddies behind. Better go get them. Go get them. Well, at least we know he's happy. Thanks again for watching, guys. We really appreciate your support. Stay tuned in the future because there's some pretty cool things that are coming up. Possibly a podcast in the next couple weeks. I don't know. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. We'll talk to you next week. Cheers. Here comes everybody. Hi, Rusty. Oh, hi. Are you happy with your new home? Don't touch the fence. It hurts, remember? Hi, Barley. Hi, Barley. Hi, Noah. Hi, Noah. What do you think? I see you found some burrs. Good job. I'll be picking those out later. Super fun for me.